Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to power wash your gaming keyboard and make it look exactly like new. So if you're like me, you have like all this dust inside the keyboard, your keys are so slippery with all of that oil from your fingers, and it really needs a clean. So basically I'm going to be going over how you can clean it, the right way to clean it. I've looked at some tutorials and this is just the easiest way to do it. So basically the first thing you want to do is, before you even start, is just go up like this and take a picture of the layout. Make sure it's a good picture, and you want to take a picture of the layout just like that, so then you could get started. Alright, so after you're taking a picture of the layout, it's time to pull out every single key on this keyboard. Yes, every single one. So pulling out keys is very simple. You have a key switch puller. Do not try to pull them out with your fingers. And what you do is just like that, you lock it underneath the key and pull. Don't twist it, don't bend it, nothing like that. And yeah, let's get started with this time-lapse video. Okay, so now that you've taken off all of the keys, you want to store them in a very large container like this one. So that is satisfying. Because you just put them all in here, every single one. Make sure not to miss any of them. And yeah. Okay, so now that you have all of them here, we're not going to clean these keys for now. First, we have to focus on the actual base plate. So for this Corsair keyboard, we have this solid aluminum base plate. And as you can see, there's just dirt and everything just all across it from almost a year of usage. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that all the keys are intact. Because maybe over that 1 year that you haven't cleaned it in, one of them might have gone awry. So I've already checked all of them. They all work beautifully, but just try to check that out. So yeah, this feels super weird obviously, and it looks kind of cool. But anyway, here is the next step to begin cleaning the keyboard. Alright, so you might be thinking that we're just going to go over the wet cloth or some sort of cloth to take out all of this. But that is actually incorrect. This is the keyboard, and if you try to take a cloth over this surface, there's a high chance the cloth is going to rip apart, and it's just going to get cloth dust everywhere here across your keyboard. A much better option is in fact to use tape. And like you take out lint from pants, you can actually take out all the dust from your keyboard using some tape. So here's me doing that. Okay everyone, so now that I've kind of just gone over this, it's gone a lot better. It's almost perfect. We're gonna go over it and just fine tune it later. But now it's time to show you how to clean the actual keycaps over here and make them look their best. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom now and it's time to clean these up, okay? So basically all I have to do is just put this here, make sure it's, it's big enough, right? And then put it down here and then fill it up with water. Just like that. Okay, that should be sufficient. So as you can see, they are nicely submerged all the way in water. There's enough space for all of them. So as you can see, just like that, looking very, very nice. So now what you're gonna do is take some dish soap, and you just want to put some of the dish soap in there. So tilt this. There you go. A little bit of dish soap. And let's start. So yeah, I'll just move these around and I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, so now the lather has really started going up like this. And we're just going to let these sit here for a while. As you can see, they're all completely submerged in the soapy water. And it's just going to take all that, all that grime off the keys slowly. And yeah, let's just wait for that to happen.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, just a little bit of an update. So now I'm going to be, I took out the soap suds from the water, And now basically I'm going to be keeping on rinsing this out with regular water until all the soap goes away, and then we can get to drying. Okay guys, so now I've basically just cleaned them so that all the soap suds are gone from it. And now it's time to dry them. So when you want to dry them, just take like, a really large towel right here. And all you want to do is basically just take a key here. Here's a key. And this is a shift key. So now what you want to do is you just want to rub it across it like this, just like that. And then go like that, and there you go. That's all you have to do. And then just lay them all across on the sun to dry. So let's do that. Okay guys, so all of these keys are completely clean and completely dry. So now let's just bunch these up in the towel and continue with the video. Okay guys, so all of the keycaps are now beautifully right here, you can see right here. So now to return to that original picture that we took of the keyboard and put these things all back. So before we do that, just look over your keyboard, see if there's any other flecks of dust or anything, and just carefully just take those out. And boom, everybody, I just finished putting all the keys back, and this keyboard is completely clean. So here's the before and after. As you can see, these keys are just so much cleaner, as you can see here. They're gonna get dirty again, of course, but it's so refreshing to have a clean keyboard right now. So the whole process takes about 3 hours. It could take less if you're really efficient with it, but yeah, it takes a very long time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to power wash your entire keyboard, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!